To enable or disable Ringer on Google Pixel 11 Pro, you can, for example, open the settings on your phone, then over here go to sound and vibration, and then in here you should be able to find the ring volume. So if you want to disable the ringer, you can just slide it all the way to the left side, and then the ringtone is going to be deactivated. And of course, if you want to turn it back on, you can just adjust the volume over here. Now, what you can also do is you can use either volume button. And of course, usually if you do so, then you change the volume for media. So for music, videos, and so on and so forth. And at the top of this bar, right here, we can find this bell. And this bell decides what the sound mode is. So this bell, if it looks like this, it means that you use the sound mode. If it's crossed out like this, then the ringer is completely deactivated, and this is actually the mute mode or silent mode. So no ringtones and no vibrations. And if you choose the third option, this one here, then it means that you are using the vibrate mode. So the ringtone is still disabled, but you have vibrations activated. So naturally, if you want to activate the ringer, you just want to make sure that this bell is selected. And in case you want to turn it off, you can choose either the mute mode over here, or you can use the vibrate mode. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.